for all to see. Then switch it up and treat me right.
Hello and welcome to yet another Adelaide vlog, and today we are at Harbour Town Adelaide, Adelaide's own outlet shopping precinct, tucked in right next to the airport on the city's western edge.
Then switch it up and treat me right. You promised sun, will you bring rain? I still love what you do to me.
This is a beautiful shopping spot. A lot of visitors actually drive straight past on their way somewhere else, but today we are just stopping right by here and visiting Adelaide's one of the premium shopping precincts where there are so many favorite brands, and we will just go through the shopping center pretty soon. Let me give you a bit of a background. Before we go in, Harbour Town first actually opened its door back in 2003, making it one of the earliest outlet style shopping center in whole of Australia. It actually started under a different name, Harbour Town Brand Direct Outlet Center, before being rebranded in 2019 to Harbour Town Premium Outlets, reflecting its shift towards more premium international brands over the years.
And then you touch, and I feel so much. I just love what you do to me.
Walking the full length of the center gives you a sense of how long it is packed in here. It's easy to spend an hour or two browsing without realizing how far we have gone. One of the more interesting additions is what the center calls it supersized outlets. A single space housing 6 brands under one roof. Lakotse, The Northern Fish, Nautica, Gap, Ben Sherman and Elise. It's a fairly unique setup, even by outlet mall standards, and it means a lot of variety without having to cross the concierge 6 times.
The misery, the ecstasy, the finer things you keep from me.
One specific detail that surprises a lot of first-time visitors is that Harbour Town sits just so close to Adelaide Airport that you can actually watch planes taking off and landing from parts of the centre. There's a bit of an unofficial plane spotting culture here for exactly that reason. It is also remarkably central for how quiet the area feels, about 5 minutes from the airport, 10 minutes from Glenelg Beach and around 15 minutes from the Adelaide CBD. So it works just as easily as a stop on the way into the city as it does a dedicated shopping strip.
Can't get enough. Please let me be.
Let's talk about the food court. After a couple of hours on your feet, the food court is just a good place to pause for a while and get recharged. There's a solid mix of cuisines on offer: Asian, Indian, Turkish, Greek, and alongside a handful of cafes if you just want to get a coffee and a break from the browsing. It's a small but genuinely varied selection, enough to satisfy most cravings without needing to leave the center.
The misery.
So that's Harbour Town Adelaide for you all. Over 20 years in making, more than 100 stores, permanent discounts and front row seats to the odd passing planes. It is not flashy, it doesn't try to be, it's simply one of the most practical, well priced places to shop in South Australia, and it's worthwhile to stop if you are ever in this area. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.